Hello everyone, this is Venkat. Today I'm going to explain about solution of linear differential equation. It is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into p of x. Then we will multiply some integrating factor. Then you will get form like this. What do you mean by linear? Differential equation is of the dependent variable if the dependent variable and derivatives occurs only first degree and not multiplied together. So see here example 5 plus dy by dx x, yes, dependent variable, x independent of degree 1 they are not multiplied together. So the example I square plus dx not linear. See here plus the dy is linear in x in y. So the example x plus square x by y square y. So this is of degree 2 order 2 degree 1. They are going to study about order 1 only. First order. Come to this standard form is called Leibniz linear equation. It of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x are functions of x only. Suppose to solve the equation 1, here I am multiplying with some quantity, that is e power integral p of x dx. If I multiply with that, here I will get two terms. First term is multiplied with this, second term is multiplied with this. Now I can write these two terms as a single term. What is that? So d by dx of y into integral or p of x dx. To differentiate this like u dash v dash u dash dy by dx first term u dash v as it is, then u into v dash e power x is e power x, and x differentiation integration will cancel out, you will get p of x. I am able to write left hand side two terms as one term, that is d by dx. If you go for integration on both sides, differentiation integration will cancel out, left hand side you will get y into e, right hand side integration with dx. This is called required solution. The factor that we multiplied left hand side of the equation 1 from the differential coefficient function is called integrating. It is of the form dy by dx plus p of x and y equal to q of x. It is called linear in y. P of x and q of x are functions of x, maybe e power x, maybe x is whatever it may be. Only the y of degree 1. That is why it is called linear y. But what is your first step? You need to get integrating factor and solution. Y into integrating factor integration of. Hence what happened? Not in this is of the form dx by dy. Just replace y with x, x with like this, where it is called linear in x. It is linear in x, integrating factor is in of y, solution x dependent, y is independent. X solution in terms of y. Here y is dependent, x is independent, y in terms of x. Come to example 1. Solve the differential equation to identify which of the following form. Linear in x or linear in y. Right? The standard form by dx y is it. Yes, it is y. Linear in y. Compare with the given differential equation, you get p of x is p of x except y, whatever it is there, that is p of x. Thing is there, you can one q of x, that is the right hand side part, e power x. Try to find integrating factor. F integrating factor for integral x dx, for integral p of x means dx. Integration of dx is x. power x. We multiply, solution part implies y into integrating factor, integration of x, integrating factor, let's for this one, power x, right hand side q of x, power x factor. Here there are two functions, so let e power x equal to t. You differentiate it, then you will get e power x dx, t is dt. Here, for in place of e power x, you can write t power x dx is already dt. Integration of e power t is e. We replace what is e power x plus c by required solution for the differential. Finally, you can write y keep one side, remaining power x you can take the right hand side for x plus. Finally, we got y into x. For example, to solve is given, that you can form linear in x or linear in y. It is up to you. So try to write dy by dx on x log y by dx. I have taken log y. This you are unable to write dy by dx plus p of x into p of x. Reverse it. You can write x by, take first term into log y log. This is of the form of y into p of y. It is linear in x. You can convert the given differential linear in x. Converted to linear in. What is p? The standard form dy by dx plus p of y into x equal to p of y. What is p of y? Write p of y 1 by y log y. Want integrating factor p of y for integration p of y is dy. There are two terms, let log y get dy for integration by dy by log y is t. Integration of 1 by x log x, here integration of 1 by t will be t is t log y is integrating factor. Come to solution, x into integrating factor equal to integral q of y integrating factor plus c. Q of y, what is q of y? Right hand side part. Here also there are two terms, log y is 1 by dy d dt. Integration of x is x square by 2, like that, t square by 2 square by 2 plus c. What is t? We will replace with log y. Here you will get log y whole square plus c x log y. If you divide it with log y, you will get x log y by log y. X terms of y. Here y is dependent, dependent. Dependent solution terms of dependent. Example 3. Solve the differential equation. Dy by dx is given. You can observe the term y is the degree 1. Remaining is x plus here x plus. So you will get the standard form dy by p of x into y equal to q of x. Now from the given, if you divide with plus 1, get dy by dx equal to e power 3x x plus. This is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Is linear in y. What is p of x? X. Integrating factor is for integration minus you can write outside 1 x d. 1 by x dx is log x like that at 1 plus e power log at 1 plus x whole power minus. Now m log n is n into log n to the power of m. Bases are same at 1 plus x whole the integrating factor. Then come to solution part. Y into integrating factor. Integrating factor is q of x. Right hand side is e power dx plus 1. Integrating factor is 1 x x plus x 1 power ax dx. Power ax is power ax by a. That's the solution. Come to next example 4. Solve the differential equation. Solve the this equation. Here y square term is there. Here x term. We'll get linear in x. Try to write dx by dy. If dx left hand side, take this into left hand side. Get tan inverse by x by. Now the standard form x by dy. P of y into x equals P of y. Take this x part into left hand side, you will get dx by dy plus x by 1 plus y square. Tan inverse y by 1 plus y. Now it is in the standard form. What is P of y? Y as integrating factor. What is integrating factor? For integral P of y. The integration of 1 by a square plus x square 1 by a tan inverse x by tan inverse of y by 1 means y. Tan inverse integrating factor. And come to solution part. X into integrating factor for tan inverse integration of q of y. What is q of y? 1 plus for integration factor. Here you can assume tan inverse y as 1 by y square. Here you will get tan inverse y is t or t 1 by y square dy is d. X into e power x is power x into x minus. Then replace what is t? Tan inverse y. Place of t we write tan inverse y. Tan inverse y. The required solution. X only in the left hand side, and you can divide it with e power tan inverse. Get like it's all about a differential. Remember to have here dy by dx x y equal to p of x. is linear in y. Remember this integrating formula, integrating factor, that is for integral p of x dx. Whatever the quantity is there except that is p of x, integration implies y into integrating factor equal to integration of p of x into integrating factor x plus c. If you replace y with x, then you will get linear in x. Is linear in y. If you replace y with x, you will get linear in x. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.